How do you earn more than $200 in less than an hour from just 150 people on YouTube? You do this.
All right, baby. Sean's going to do it big for us today. We're going to start off with Sean with the $5 super chat.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Money, 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 money. Hello, I'm Rob. Welcome back to vidIQ. If you are new here, we have a YouTube tool and channel aims to educate you on your YouTube journey. If you are familiar with vidIQ, then yeah, we are in unfamiliar surroundings today. I'm trying out the green screen. I've moved it to another room. Always requires a little bit of tweaking to get right, so do let us know in the comments below whether you like it or not. Now, what's all of this talk about earning lots of money in a very short space of time from a very small number of people on YouTube? Well, it all comes down to this. We recently published a video all about how to earn more money on YouTube besides AdSense. It's well worth a watch, and there should be a link to the video in the top right hand corner right now. Do check it out. One of the tools we talked about during that video were super chats, which are small financial contributions from viewers to live streams, which will highlight their message in the live stream chat. Now, super chats are not new. It's been a feature that's been on YouTube for a number of years. But what is new is just how profitable they are for video creators, as YouTube said in this blog post. There are now over 90,000 channels who have received super chats, with some streams earning more than $400 per minute. And super chat is now the #1 revenue stream on YouTube for nearly 20,000 channels, an increase of over 65% year on year. Now, we ourselves occasionally get super chats on our live streams, and we're very appreciative of it. Thank you very much. But to say that it's a #1 revenue source for channels and that you can earn over $400 per minute seems fanciful until I saw this.
El Jefe! Oh, Preston Martin in the house. Here we go. Oh, we got a super chat. Watch out now. 504.
Now, just give me 1 second while I turn this into a meme. Perfect. Say hello to Travis. He is part of the vidIQ family. You may have seen him on our channel audit live streams, and he does lots of work with customer service in the background. But Travis is also a video creator in his own right with the channel Travis MCP, and he does all sorts of things on technology, including live streams. At the time of recording, Travis's tech channel is just shy of 40,000 subscribers, and I have no idea what he's doing right here. But this is one such live stream he did recently on the Samsung Galaxy Note, which ran for about 48 minutes and got around 1,000 views. And these are just some of the super chats Travis received during that live stream, including a single donation of $100 Canadian. So first of all, Travis, that's some savage work, my friend. But second of all, and most importantly, how on earth did you do this? We decided to ask him.
Thanks, Rob. Actually, the ability for me to get all of these super chats really had nothing to do with me chasing different ways to get the money. It was actually more about me chasing ways to make my live streams better. Let me explain. I would go to other live streams and I would try to figure out why people were so excited to be there and why they were so much fun. You see, I would go to other creators' live streams and enjoy them myself. And one thing I noticed is in one of my favorite creators' live streams, he would do sound effects periodically, and people loved it. Oh, look, Unlock is coming for your neck, son. He's coming for your neck. He's coming for it. And then I noticed as he was doing sound effects, more people would send him super chats, which I thought was interesting. So what I wanted to do first was I wanted to put sound effects in my videos. There's multiple ways of doing this, including free ways where you can do a soundboard on your computer. But I bought the Elgato Stream Deck and it's already paid for itself. Basically, it has a bunch of different buttons that I can completely modify to put different sound effects and different cool little visual effects and everything in my live streams. It makes it more fun. Secondly, I made sure that I'm full of energy every single live stream. People want that. People love that. They come to my live streams because they enjoy themselves. Let's get it going, baby. All right, all right, all right. And of course, the most important thing, the thing you're wondering about, how do I get them to spend money? Well, I don't. I just enjoy myself. I play sound effects when cool things are happening, and when someone sends a super chat, it's a big celebration. I have a specific song I play, I do a little dance, and you know what? It works. People love it. When you can take a minute to just appreciate that someone has sent you money just for being live, they really appreciate it as well. And because I go to other streamers' live streams, I go to other creators' live streams, they actually come to mine as well. And a lot of those super chats were from other creators, people whose live streams I've been in. I really believe that going to people's live streams, being a part of the community, and then making your live stream as fun as absolutely possible is all you need to do. Focus on the people in your live stream. Make it awesome for them, and the rest just kind of works its way out.
You see, subscribers are one thing, but they are a fickle bunch. You only need to look at your analytics to see how many views you get from actual subscribers, and it's usually less than 50% on most channels. Beyond your standard subscriber are actual fans of your channel. The ones who post comments in all of your videos, who turn up to every single live stream, they volunteer to moderate, and in the most generous way, they start to offer you super chats and become members of your channel. Those are your super fans. And if you continue to give those super fans enough value and make them part of the fabric of your channel, you will never need to ask for anything from them. They will give it to you because they're so invested in your success. Oh, and one final thing. I said that Travis earned these $200 from about 150 viewers, although the live stream said it got 1,000 views. This is because you have concurrent viewers watching the live stream there and then. They drop in and out, and in reality, Travis probably earned that money from maybe 10, at max 15 super chat contributors. So in theory, you can make far more money than you would ever make on AdSense with just a handful of die-hard fans.
Thank you for having me on, Rob. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you real soon.
If you want to see both Travis and myself live, then make sure to join our live stream every Tuesday, 11 AM, Vancouver, LA time, PDT time, whatever you want to call it, where we audit your channels for free, and you don't even need to give us a super chat. Enjoy the rest of your video making day.
Here we go.